Sis, mommy, you poop.
Nou moet die kak praat jy ek gepoepie. Jou gaan bek wat gepoep het. En as ek poep, dan poep ek halal poep.
How's day 112 of lockdown?
Dis kwai lappies.
Is what?
Kwai lappies.
And how's it lockdown? The you know, the
lockdown.
staying in the house.
No, this is really kak. It must stop now. I want to go out. I'm sick and tired of staying in the house.
Sis, mommy.
No, fuck you. It's not me. You.
I know I didn't make up my mouth.